we often run into clients who have children who are on governmental benefits, are receiving disability or Social Security and those so forth. If the parent were to leave their wealth outright to that child, the governmental benefits would end. They'd have to spend their inheritance. Then the governmental benefits kick in again. We can use a special needs trust for that purpose as well.
We can, and in our world, that's called a third-party special needs trust, where somebody is creating a trust for their loved one who is receiving benefits. Like traditionally, so your clients would have their own trust, then there would be a spin-off special needs trust where their loved one's inheritance go into the trust, and they have to have a different trustee, obviously, who will take care of the disabled person's assets, and basically they will take care of them. Their disabled child will have all the benefits that they're entitled to. They will have their inheritance. And the best part of when you plan for this, Tom, is that the beneficiary chain still can continue. Because if not, like if you did like a first-party special needs trust, the state has to be the beneficiary. But when you're really into planning and one of your clients says, Tom, I want my revocable trust, but I need a special needs trust in it, then you can literally put the beneficiaries who you want, and the state never gets a penny of it. It's perfect planning.
So with that special needs trust, it says, well, the money is there for the benefit of my disabled son during his lifetime, but you get to dictate what happens to that money when the son passes away.
Absolutely.
That's the nice thing about it. Another thing I like about it as well is that when you do the special needs trust, if the disabled son has got an aunt or an uncle that would like to contribute to his care someday, the aunt or the uncle, rather than leaving money directly to that disabled son, they can leave money to the special needs trust that's been set up for him.
Absolutely, and it won't impact benefits whatsoever.